welcome back to my channel, House of AB Design. I'm AB and I'm so happy you decided to click that thumbnail. Welcome to episode 3 of my Christmas sneak peeks, where I show you how I get prepared for the upcoming holiday season. Some of the things created in these sneak peeks I will use throughout my home during the holidays. In this episode, I'll show you how I redecorated a thrifted rattan wooden wreath that you see here with a seasonal flair and created my version of a Zgallerie bird that I saw online that can be added to any holiday vignette. So, sit back, relax, and watch the transformation. I begin by sizing up this burlap ribbon that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. This will actually serve as a piece to hang the wreath if you so desire. Now, I will hot glue the ribbon that I measured earlier for hanging. Again, this step is optional, as you might not want to hang the wreath with the burlap ribbon. I cut and added several floral picks that I had from a previous project. I hot glued the wooden roses to the wooden slice that I got from the Dollar Tree. I then hot glued both of them to the wreath in 2 different areas. I'll now hot glue the tassels on the back of the ornament that I placed just to give a faux finished look to the ribbon. And there you have a simple yet elegant wreath that can be used as part of a vignette or standalone for your holiday decor. I saw this peacock clip on Zgallerie's website and thought it was the most adorable thing. I also saw this statue and loved the fullness of the tail feathers. I thought I could do a mashup of the two, which brings me to my next DIY. I purchased this bird statue from Michael's about a month ago to use in my fall decor. However, it never made it to showtime because as soon as I bought it, I saw the Zgallerie inspiration piece online and I decided to repurpose its intended decoration. So I took it outside and spray painted it gold. I then hot glued some feathers, also purchased from Michael's, to the top of the bird's head. I purchased 6 feather boas from the Dollar Tree and began hot gluing them along the tail of the bird in a cascading pattern. Once I got the desired fullness of the boas, it was time to showcase the finished piece. I can't wait to pair this up with my other Christmas decorations. Be sure to tune into my next video to see more Christmas sneak peeks. Until the next video, thanks for watching.